Imagine turning micro movements in the NASDAQ market into real profits, live right before your eyes. In my live streams, I'll take you straight into the action of scalping NASDAQ futures. Watch as I analyze price action, volume, and order flow to identify scalping opportunities in this fast paced market. You'll see my trade setups, live executions, and detailed performance breakdowns, all in real time. Stay tuned and follow my journey as I work to master the art and skill of scalping NASDAQ futures.
Good morning, good morning. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's having a great morning and a great trading session so far. I'm flat, haven't taken any trades. We are in some medium impact news. My news indicator is not working properly right now. However, I am green lighted to trade at 8:47, and then I will have to stop again at 8:53 for the high impact news. And I think there's low impact news as well. Yeah, at 9:30. So I set alarms on my phone since I can't see it on my screen. Oh my goodness. Whoops, I forgot my live was unlisted. Whoopsies. Missed it. I missed it. This thing is in my way. Damn, I missed these two buys right here, back to back. God damn it. Good morning, Trenches. How are you? How goes it? I think these are the first freaking valid setups I had, and I missed both of them in the perfect spot, too. Annoying. Alright, I gotta get my shit together. There was another one. Stopping for high impact news. I just missed 3 buys in a row off of the rotation levels 1, 2, and 3. Kind of tired sitting green now. I'm tired as well. I don't know why, but lately I've been waking up way before my alarm, and I know I make myself even more tired because I go back to sleep. I need to just start getting up, but I don't want to. I don't want to be up that early. Good morning, Amelia. How are you this morning? Man, I don't know what it is. Alright, so yeah, we'll stop for high impact news. Let me set an alarm for the low impact news. I don't know why, but the news indicator doesn't work sometimes. My mic sounds weird. Let me see. Let me see. Testing 1 2 3. Oh, it does sound like. Oh yeah, it sounds normal on my end. Yeah, it sounds normal on my end. Oh, wait, no. I know what it is. Hold on. Maybe, is this a little bit better? Perfect. Good morning, Moses. How are you this morning? Good morning, good morning. How are you this morning? Man, I should already be up 3 trades right now. This is ass. But I do think that these 3 trades are the only ones that I missed. But I waited so long just for them to set up and me to miss them. But I started last night with going back to paying attention to trying to like quiz myself on like the rule setup. Because like I said, these rules are way easier than how I've been trading, especially like when I was doing order flow and stuff. But you know, when you make adjustments over time, you just start forgetting stuff and things like that. But I feel like if I hammer them into my head by studying them every night, like saying, okay, when it's this volume pattern, what are you looking for? That kind of thing. I'll give myself about a week. If I do that, I won't be missing trades like that anymore. And those were like perfect. I really need to pay the most attention when I'm near levels, because a lot of my setups, like as long as the entry bar is attached to a level, that's all that matters kind of thing. And so with those in particular, they were attached to the buy rotation levels, which for 2 of them, no matter what, it was going to work out kind of thing. So I just got to fix it. You're welcome, Amelia. You're welcome. All right, we got a couple more minutes. I think I am going to do the same thing as yesterday, where after a certain time, I'm going to trade my Apex PA. I want to just start trading it every day. However, I really want to trade like 5 micros on it, because right now, I want to do 5%, risk 5% of my available drawdown versus the 10 that I'm normally going to do. Like, my risk to reward with my win ratio calls for 10%, but because I'm missing so many trades and I'm still not really comfortable with the copier, I would rather reduce the risk on there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna trade 5 micros on it. I'm just worried a little bit about the damn copier, I ain't gonna lie, but we're gonna do it. As a matter of fact, let me try to set that up now. Let's see, type mini, this would be micro, size would be 5. All right, I think I set it up properly. Yeah, 5 micros, 1 mini. I'm not trading that PA. So this is kind of basically how I have it set up. So I obviously can't trade it right now because I'm connected to Top Step, but probably after 9:15, I'm going to get off of the Top Step account and then connect to Apex, and then we'll do 5 micros. If this account ends up blowing, I'm fine with it. Obviously, it's not what I want to happen, but if it does, it's cool. It's a 25K account. It's rhythmic, kind of whatever. But yeah. I'm gonna put my phone back on Do Not Disturb. One of my friends called me in the wee hours of the morning. So I called him back. I was trying to see if he was going to call me back, but he's going to have to wait. That's what we're doing currently on the time-based chart. The news release. So Apex did extend their sale. I was actually hoping that they didn't because I wanted to see what the new PA price would be, if they would go back to $85 or not. This sale does end like 2 days before my eval renews. So I don't know. More than likely, I'm just going to pay the $125, but it makes no sense to pay it right now anyway. I'm not ready to trade it. So we'll see. Okay. And push a little too far. What the hell? I hate when we start doing this on the zigzag. That means it's too much indecision around this area, around that price. Oh, shit. Try to get in. It took off fast. I tried. That's what the inside of that looked like. That's why I didn't get filled. Good morning, Paul. How are you this morning? Good morning. I'm gonna wait a couple more minutes because the way the market's moving, I'm not gonna get filled on anything. Like I wouldn't have gotten filled there either. The 3 trades from earlier before the high impact news, I would have been filled, but these last 2, no. It's gonna be too much volume to swing down. My charts are frozen. Oh my goodness. Ugh. All right, give me a second. I have to rebuild these goddamn charts again. I think this particular chart is why my NinjaTrader takes so long to load in the morning. So give me a second, guys. So annoying. All right, price action swing pro market structure. That's not all I need. So annoying. All right. It's gonna freeze one more time because I accidentally started it. Started the chart. And all my indicators on there. I usually will just load it from a template, but I think sometimes doing that doesn't help with the chart render and it just creates another issue at some point. So I'm just gonna reload it all manually. Super pivot. Vertical VWAP. There. Heater. And I'm missing one. Oh, volume up down. Pretty sure that's it. Probably missing trades. Thanks a lot, stupid ass. Charts. All right. Pivot. Close up. Then VWAP. Fire. All right. All right, one more freeze. All right, I think we're good. No, why does this look like this? Whatever, I don't care. All right, let's do it. Oh shit, that's why. Okay, now I have to change this. It's gonna freeze one more time. God dang it. I don't have a price line. I'm like, something's wrong. I need the price line. Oh look, now my news indicator is working again over here. I guess I might as well go ahead and switch to Apex account now. Oops, already done there. Come on. Off, off. Disconnecting top stack, connect to Apex. Apex takes a while to connect to. I've noticed that. Damn, I pushed down too far. Someone might pull back there. All right, so is it showing? It is showing. All right, cool. On the Apex account, I have it on 5 micros. Please do not hold me one to. I'm most worried about the copier, if anything. Something still is weird with my chart, though. And this needs to go somewhere else. It's throwing me off. Mm-mm. Something is still. Oh my god. I know what's missing. Something is still wrong with my chart. God dang it. I gotta freeze the damn chart again. I can't see where the bar is gonna close, which is extremely important. Extremely. It's not one thing, it's another. Okay, now, so the color of it looks weird, but I don't really know. Yes, I can work with this. Way better. Way better. I've missed a lot today. Jeez Louise. It doesn't matter. Come on with the lumbar pullbacks. Y'all, I'm in a trade right now and I can't even see it. What the fuck? This is a rhythmic issue. There was literally nothing in my orders tab. Why is rhythmic doing that? I heard order filled, target filled, order filled. Thank God I was in micros, but I held it long enough to try to get back into profit at least. But my God, I don't understand. It's so weird because usually you want to keep your orders tab open to make sure you don't have orders, but now you're better off just keeping the accounts tab open so you can see if you're actually in a trade. Oh my God. It just took profit too fast, I guess. This is my worry with trading this damn account. Not being able to see what I need to see. I don't know. I don't know. We're at about $400. About to call it a day if this continues. Go to the 5-minute chart. I've been on a 1-minute chart this whole time. Because on the 1-minute chart, we were kind of chopping back and forth between the VWAP and the middle pivot level. Crude oil is coming up in 8 minutes. But it's low impact today. But yeah, I don't blame you if you stop at all. I don't blame you at all. Oh, shoot. What are you looking for? Trenches, long, shorts. What are you getting caught in? I really don't understand why Rhythmic is not showing my pending orders over there. That's very weird. There's no filter on the type of account. I have it on only active orders. Even when I was in the trade, it wasn't showing it in the orders tab. All right, what's my data lag? Because that was not right. I'm glad I was able to get out of it. That's it. Shit, I'm missing the price line over here. Am I on the wrong? No, I'm not. It's just so laggy today. Range too wide for my trade. Should have sized down. Ah, got you. I was rewatching Alpine's stream from yesterday, and he has the ATR on his screen. And I think at one point, y'all, the ATR was like 56. No, was it 56 or 65? Yeah, I think it was 56. And normally, like when I'm watching his stream, the ATR will be anywhere from like, I don't know, 15 to maybe like 25. Usually it's like 20 something and when the market opens, and then it kind of levels off to less than 20 for the most part. 56 is insane. Very insane. What is right here? It's a lot of indecision right there. It's too close. Oh, zigzag changed anyway. All right, I'm going to stop in a minute. This is really worrying me that I can't see. You know what? I'm going to have to open. I'll just open Rhythmic. It's just annoying. I don't have enough real estate for this. I guess. I don't even know. This will help. Let me close the one I'm not using. Actually, it's not going to help much. What was the size you were using, Churches? All right. We'll stop until 9:31 for crude oil. I want to look. I must have been tagged in. Well, I know I was tagged in late, but how late was I tagged in? Oh, you're using 4. It's so crazy because, like, I think, who was I watching? I think it was Nutty that was saying that. He was like, it's so crazy. This was yesterday when the volatility was so high. He was like, you can lose so much money even with just one micro. Like, one micro is becoming too much for this, because of how big your stop loss has to be right now. It's just crazy. We're at 308,000 volume already. And before inauguration, you didn't even see that by 10 a.m. It was usually about 200 to 250. Yeah, it's like one is just too much. And I think how many micros was Alpine using? I forgot how many micros he was using, but it wasn't that many, I don't think. And he had went down like $400 so quickly yesterday. It was like, damn. This market is just insane. Like, do they need to come out with a micro, a double micro version? We need a tenth of a micro right now. All right, here's crude. Inside there. Alright, I could trade again. See if we can break here though. That's what I'm looking for. Wasn't enough volume in that reversal bar. I need to reach out to NinjaTrader though and ask them why my orders tab is not showing pending orders. They're probably just going to tell me to upgrade my software. Which, I mean, I'm on 8.1 something. So it's not like I'm super far behind or anything. It's like we having trouble actually pushing here. Thought we were going to reverse around there, but nope. Yeah, that's the other thing. My freaking, oh, there it goes. Okay. So the trade from earlier that I took, it took profit in less than a second. That's why I didn't get tagged in on the follower. It's just weird because my copier used to like cancel the orders of the followers if they don't get tagged in. So I don't really understand why it's tagging it late like that. But that's why I keep the orders tab open so I can catch it, but it's not even showing in the orders tab anyway, which is stupid. Oh, I know what I can do. Release the window right here. Ah, that works. Oh, except when I do that, it's gonna go away. No. Damn it. It's not gonna work the way I wanted it to. We keep having these nice moves back down, but each swing down has less volume than the previous one, so I can't. There's nothing I can do about that to even get into it. I just kind of hold myself a little bit. Damn, I was looking to buy right there, but we pushed down too far. Why is my chart over there looking like that? How do I attach this back? Um, not enough volume there. All right, now we got some movement. Kind of playing around the VWAP, one of the lower deviation levels down there. We are pushing back towards the middle VWAP. What an interesting day. I actually had really good setups. Yesterday I had good setups as well, but the market was just so volatile. And then I was trying something a little different yesterday, which is what caused my first loss. The second loss would have been a loss regardless. But cold turkey activated for a good reason or a bad one. Did you hit your profit target or your loss limit? Or, well, your personal loss limit. Every time we get near the middle pivot level and the middle VWAP level, the zigzag starts messing up a lot. And it irritates me because then I have to do math to figure out what the actual volume of the swing is. 438, but I don't like how this looks. Nice trading. That's some good profit, yeah. Activate. Yeah, the VWAP is pretty, the levels are kind of close, honestly, which is never that great. And then having the middle pivot level kind of in the same area as the middle VWAP is never good, ever. Ever, ever. Super volatile and lethargic for real. For real. Damn, I didn't want it to push up that far. I was hoping we reject it like right around here. Oh, let me save this damn intro chart. I really want us to get away from the middle pivot level. I got 15 minutes left. I'm hoping I can get one more trade in. But right now, I still don't take trades at the middle pivot level. That might be subject to change at some point, but for right now, I don't. Mm, what the hell? These moves are insane. Literal insanity. We didn't quite touch the VWAP. We kind of front ran it back here. It's about 10 minutes ago. But literally kind of just playing around between there and the middle VWAP. What the hell? That's the other thing. Like, the market is literally freezing right before a reversal bar paints, which is not great. I almost got put into a trade earlier because of that. I was looking to get in. I had the thing to get me into the trade when the bar reversed, or when the bar closed, or whatever, the reversal bar closed. But because it froze for a half a second, I took it off, and I'm glad I did, because then it just, like, the way it painted, it would have been an invalid trade. But it's so frustrating. Ugh. Mm. Not right. That's not the real number. 14. And back to the middle pivot level. It doesn't look like I'm going to get another trade in, which is fine. Like I said, once the middle VWAP level got so close to the pivot level, I kind of already knew that the price action wouldn't be exactly what I'm looking for, and that kind of happened after news hit. Not enough volume in that swing. Still want to see if something pops off. Almost, not quite. All right, I'm gonna call it here. I don't even want to see if anything happens in the next 2 minutes. I guess I gained a little bit back from what I lost on the PA yesterday. Just sucks because I should have gained more than that, but I was tagged in late, and I actually ended up, I think, going down like $60 with the 5 micros on that trade until I was able to see it go a little bit green so I could manually flatten. But yeah, not terrible. I mean, the biggest thing, me missing the 3 trades in the beginning was the biggest problem. And then, you know, after that, my charts crashing. That took quite a while to rebuild it the proper way, because every time I thought I rebuilt it, then I'm like, wait, something doesn't look right. Oh, I have to add this. Then we have a freeze and, you know, all of that stuff. But it's all good. I'm green. That's all I really care about. I think the toughest thing recently from a mental aspect is going on the green streak for 2 weeks, having the red days, blowing an account, or 2 accounts really, but one of them, whatever. But blowing the accounts, and that had been the first time I blew accounts in a long time. And then, you know, with the market moving so fast, then I just started questioning things like, and feeling like, oh, I probably need to change this. I probably need to change that. And I don't. Like, most of my setups at this point, I have a big enough sample size that, like, I know these are the rules. If it loses here and there, whatever, you know, it's going to happen. I was having a discussion with my best friend about this yesterday, the one who trades, and, you know, part of it is just my perfectionism. I know I can't be 100%, but I'm going to always look to be as close as I can, you know? And yeah, it just makes me second guess things. Then it's just like a downward spiral from there. I've always been the person who gets in my own way. That literally in everything I do, I get in my own way, and I have to stop doing that. I feel like I'm at the point now where just going green for 2 weeks is enough to remind myself, like, you know what you're doing, you're on the right track. This is week 5, I think, of me trading volume only. And I got a little off track yesterday because I changed up something that I thought was needed and it wasn't. But yeah, I really think that once the rules are in my head, I'll be all right from there. Back to VWAP and reject. It touched the VWAP. I didn't even see. Let me see. Ah, yeah. We front ran it again. Yeah, this right here is a terrible sight to see. When you have 2 levels that kind of determine direction, I guess you could say, because obviously if we're under the middle VWAP, we're in a downtrend, and same thing with the middle pivot level. When they're this close together, I hate the price action because it always looks like this. Almost always. But thank God I'm out of here. But yeah, I just have to fix my mindset. But like I was telling my best friend, I'm happy that the mindset shift that I need doesn't have to do with, you know, going on tilt, taking trades out of frustration and things like that. I'm happy about that part because that part helps. But sometimes reminding yourself of how far you've come and rebuilding your confidence takes a lot, you know. And with me losing for a year straight trying to put this together, that doesn't really help either. But I'm gonna get it together. I'm probably gonna go and journal from Monday, because I think I didn't journal Monday with my charts being messed up because I had to keep reloading. I can't journal for today. So I think I'm going to go journal on Monday, because I'm almost certain that when I was looking at the price action on Monday, that's what made me think that I needed to change something for Tuesday that I didn't need to change. So I need to go through and look at that to make sure there's no minor adjustments that need to be made. But I'm pretty sure where my strategy is right now is just what it's going to be. So I need to just stick with it and kind of keep it moving from there. But yeah, not a bad day despite a few issues. But I thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning at 8:45 Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.